Reset 2023 Ford Explorer airbag in 10 minutes? OBDSTAR P50 does it without module removal. Hey friends, here's a challenge to kick things off. Do you think it's possible to reset the airbag crash data on a 2023 Ford Explorer without removing the SRS module? If you said yes or no, hold that thought and drop your guess in the comments right now. I promise we'll reveal the answer before the video ends, but you've got to stick with me. Now, before we roll in the nitty-gritty, let me give you a warm welcome to the channel, your friendly garage for all things car diagnostics, programming, and tech hacks. If you're a car enthusiast, a pro technician, or just someone who loves learning new automotive skills, you're in the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because this channel is all about real-world tools, hands-on feedback, and time-saving tips you won't want to miss. All right, back to business. Today, we're talking about the OBDSTAR P50, a tool that's quickly becoming a favorite in the diagnostic world, and for good reason. We recently tested it on a 2023 Ford Explorer, specifically dealing with the airbag module labeled LB5T 14B321PA. What's fascinating is how smoothly this tool handled the task. So here's what happened. The P50 successfully detected and cleared the crash data directly via OBD. Yes, you heard that right. We didn't have to remove the airbag module at all. That means no dashboard teardown, no disassembly, and no headaches. Just plug it in, follow the on-screen prompts, and let the tool do its magic. This particular SRS module runs on Infineon TriCore memory, more precisely the SAK-TC222S-16F chip, a powerful and secure microcontroller used in modern vehicle safety systems. And the P50 handled read and write operations on the EEPROM memory like a champ. From start to finish, the whole reset process took only 10 to 15 minutes. That includes reading the memory, clearing the data, and writing everything back clean. Super efficient. And here's the kicker. It worked without any need to remove the module. That's a huge time saver for technicians and a stress reliever for DIYers. Just imagine walking into your garage, plugging in a tool, and being done before your coffee even cools off. That's the kind of progress we like to see. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used the OBDSTAR P50 or tried resetting an airbag module on a Ford Explorer? What tools have you used that made the process easier or harder? Drop your stories and questions in the comments below. I love reading through your feedback, and who knows, your comment might just help someone else in the community. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Seriously, it tells YouTube that we're doing something right and helps more people like you discover this content. And hey, if you're feeling generous, consider dropping a super thanks to support the channel. Every little bit helps us bring you more hands-on diagnostic deep dives like this one. So here's my take. I think tools like the OBDSTAR P50 are game changers for everyday diagnostics. Not only do they simplify tough jobs, but they also make high-level vehicle repairs more accessible to independent shops and solo techs. That's a big win for the community. But now I want to know your view. Do you think diagnostic tools are becoming too smart or just smart enough? Let me know in the comments. And remember that question from earlier? Can you reset the airbag crash data on a 2023 Ford Explorer without removing the module? The answer is a resounding yes, and the OBDSTAR P50 proves it. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around till the end. If you're still here, you're the reason this channel keeps growing. So don't leave without subscribing, share this video with a fellow tech or car lover, and drop a like if you learned something new. Until next time, keep learning, keep wrenching, and keep driving forward.